Today I'm changing out the fog lights on my truck. Perfect timing. The other one on the other side is actually already out and needs a new bulb. Anyway, I'm going to check out these SEALIGHT fog lights. These are for the F-150 series of trucks. There's a wide range of the year models that it's compatible with. Make sure and check that these are compatible with your truck. I don't know how well you can see it in the video, but to change them out, it's pretty simple. We're just going to take this out of the box. It looks a little bit like this. Now these are LED, whereas the bulbs that are in here are incandescent. To change them out, it's pretty simple. For these, they're easy to get to. You're just going to reach up behind the light. You're going to grab the bulb. You're going to twist it, pull it out. Then there's going to be a little tab. You're going to pull the wires off and pop the new one on, and then just reverse, pop it back in. It takes no time at all to do that. So that's the old one out. You can see the difference here. One of them is LED and the other's incandescent. And then you just take and you pop the wire back in. And then put this back in the hole. Get it all lined up and then twist to lock it. There we go. That one's in. I'm gonna go replace the other one, and I'll turn them on and show you the difference. As you can see, this is much brighter. I'm kind of excited to see what they look like at night when I'm be using my fog lights. It's super easy to change out and getting away from these old incandescent bulbs. This one had actually exploded on me. It wasn't working, so it's nice to be able to replace these.